Hey, it's Jackie. I just want to shoot you over the quick video that I was telling you about, and I'm going to go over a couple things just about some services that I do offer and a couple ways that we can help you. So, I have your website pulled up and I've been looking at it. The site itself looks really good. I love the layout and everything. The biggest thing that I would suggest if we go forward would be to change up the content and add some more content on here and incorporate some keywords that you want to be found for. And we can definitely start out like in the Houston area, and then eventually, if you want to expand into like a national realm, we could absolutely do that. We just want to really hone in on the keywords that are local and really dominate the Houston area first. So I'll go into what keywords I'm talking about here, but um, Google likes to see in between 1,500 and 2,000 words at least on your homepage, and you need about 125 keyword or 125 words per keyword that you have on there. Otherwise, it's considered keyword stuffing. But we definitely want to incorporate that, and it's going to help increase traffic to your site, along with doing like on-site and off-site SEO. So I input your information into a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and right now there's not like too much data on it, and this is the UR and the DR. I'll explain what those are though. The UR is the strength, and the DR is the trust that your site has with Google. And so this is on a scale of 100, and we want to make these continually growing, and we want to keep them balanced pretty much in number. And we do that by adding backlinks. So right now you have 5 backlinks, and those are coming from 2 referring domains or websites. And then what a backlink is, it's your website linked to another site that points direction back to you. But when we go and get backlinks, we want to make sure that they're not spammy. So we want to get the authoritative backlinks that will actually send power to your site and help you move up in the ranks in Google. And then right now you're coming up for 7 keywords. So just to take a peek at some of that. So like credit resolutions, which is your company name. So we want more buyer intent, but there are 80 people who look that up a month. So by implementing some of the backlinks, it will definitely help you move up in the ranks, because right now you're in the 36th position for that. Credit resolution services, there's 40 people a month that look that up. You're in the 41st position. Smart credit report, there's 200 people that look that up. You're in the 51st position. Smart credit repair, there's 40 people that look that up, and you're in the 55th position. So these are more national keywords rather than just like Houston based, which are like buyer intent keywords for your local area. And so I would suggest starting there. And then, so when I Google credit repair Houston, what comes up first are the ads, which is definitely something that I would suggest doing. There is, you just have to make sure that we're running ads that are highly targeted, and we want to set it up so it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg, but it definitely helps bring in business quickly. And then next, what comes up is the Google Business Profile or Map Pack, and we would definitely go in and hone in and optimize the Google Business Profile. And so you can see here there's the top 3, and there's somebody running an ad right there. About 40 up to 40% of traffic actually will go to the website or give these companies a click right or call right from here. And so what we do is we want to make sure that we up the reviews. We completely optimize the Google Business Profile and add a full description. We want to be responsive on the reviews, responsive on the messages. We add posts regularly. We add photos that are geotagged regularly. And so we want to beat these people out as much as we can. So we want to continually add that and come up in this map pack. This is really, really, really going to help increase business. So then going into the organics, take a look at the top competitor, which is 700 plus credit. And here is their site. Going through it. So this right here is really good because you really want to increase conversion. So having a form submit really, really helps. Same with, the free consultation, and they have all their information here. Click to call. So going in to their actual content, they do continuously talk about how they're in the Houston area. And really what we want to do is beat the competitor out in every way. So what we would do would be like dissect every single thing that they are doing and then do it better. So see Credit Repair Houston here. This is one of their main headers. So that is one of the keywords that we, would want to go for. And that's an example of what we would do in the actual content. So then looking up where their standings are, they have they're a really strong site. Their UR is 40, the DR is 10. So again, we want to beat them out in every way. So they have 2.53 thousand backlinks and then 289 referring domains. So a plan of action would be to match the amount of referring domains that they have and then beat them out by at least 100. And we want to go after those good quality backlinks to be able to beat them out. And they're coming up for 364 keywords, and I'll show you what I'm meaning by this. So Credit Repair Houston, like I had mentioned, there's over 1,000 searches a month for that. And this KD or keyword difficulty is on a scale of 100. So what we would do is go in and find the easier keywords that we would want to rank for that have good volume and go after those first and really build up the strength of the site. So let's see, Houston, Texas Credit Repair, creditplan.com. There are 600 searches a month for that, and the keyword difficulty is not that hard on that one. So that would be a good one. Houston Credit Repair, 200. Here's another 250. Let's see, Credit Repair Houston, Texas, 80. Credit Repair in Houston, 50. There's Austin, Texas Credit Repair. I mean, we could even go in and add a service page for Austin and incorporate some of that. There's 700 searches a month for that, and that one's the keyword difficulty not as hard. So basically, once you start ranking for these keywords, a percentage of that total volume is going to go to your site. And then a percentage of that is going to actually fill out a form or give you a call. And then a percentage of that is going to turn into a customer. So then lastly, I just want to talk about citations because Google is a big popularity contest. So we want to go out and get your name, address, and phone number in things like Yellow Pages or Yelp. There's thousands of those out there, and we want to go out and grab as many as we can because what that's going to do is increase your relevancy to Google, and you're going to be able to move up in the ranks. So hopefully this information was helpful, and if you want to schedule a time this weekend or next week to talk, we can definitely go over your goals and kind of get a plan of action together for you, and I look forward to talking to you. Thanks.